Today, join me in the kitchen while we make these delicious spring rolls and peanut sauce. The power is in that peanut sauce, okay? That is how you transform your refreshing light spring rolls into something that is so flavorful, savory, and delicious. Now, this peanut sauce recipe is not for the people that want to whip it up real quick. This is a recipe that has quite a few ingredients and a little bit of effort that you got to put into it. This is the rice paper that we're going to be using today. You can use whatever rice paper you want to use. This is Red Rose, Bon Chong, rice flour, yeah. Whenever you're making spring rolls, you got to move quick. And listen, this is not a tutorial, trust me, because I'll be struggling. These are the veggies that I prepped up. We have some red, see, all this talking, unacceptable, because my rice paper is, the longer it sits, stickier it gets. We got red cabbage, just some power greens mix. I'll look at the box and see what's in here. Some yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, carrot, avocado, and in here we have some cucumber. I prepped this maybe 2 days ago, so I just wanted to make sure that it was prepped in a way to where things wouldn't get soggy. Look at this. I shouldn't have did that. Look at how easy. One false move and everything is over with. So you can see, this isn't something you can undo either. It's over. So don't do that. Make sure that you're 100% ready before you start. Whenever you're wetting your rice paper, you don't need to use hot water. Just use some cold or lukewarm water and rinse it under there just for a few seconds. It's advised to not let it sit under there too long because it'll soften as it lays. So you just want to get to moving, okay? Let's start with some cucumber. Let me just put this stuff down. Y'all see what it is. And I have a bad habit of overfilling these bad boys, so let me not get crazy today. Whatever you put on the bottom is what's going to show, and I completely forgot. I probably should have put the greens on there or something because this is going to be pretty crazy looking. Nice little thin cucumber sliver. Hold the seeds. See, now this is piling too damn high. Piling way too high. This is a mess. Avocado just slapped in here. I'm rushing. So fingers all nasty now. You wipe that down. So you just want to roll it however if you roll it like a burrito, do it like a burrito. Some people do this first and then they do the sides. It's ripping. Or some people just do the sides first to go ahead and close it off. You want to try to get it as compact and tight as possible, but the issue with that is they rip easily. So don't stretch it trying to get it too tight to where it just rips up, but mine is slowly ripping. And I found that the cutting board is the easiest surface for me to work with because all the other surfaces, it just gets way too stuck. There's one. Just shit just throwing up in there. But that's all right. One down. Little carrot laying next to it. Ooh, a little something. Cabbage. You guys call this red or purple cabbage? Drop it down below in the comments. I call it both. Why are the greens not on here yet? Why am I just grabbing stuff like this? I also saw another trick that said I love this tip too. If you have butter lettuce, like the leaves, you lay those down first and after and pretty much wrap the food up in the lettuce, but in the, we got drama over here to the left, drama over here to the left. This one might not make it, you guys. That extra paper over there might be necessary. The little avocado tried to do its thing. It's these damn, yeah, she didn't make it, you guys. It's these damn bell peppers busting out the seams. That's right, because sometimes if it's not too bad, just wrap it up again. Ew, that piece of avocado on my finger, please ignore that because that is bothering me. Some people roll it in too anyway, especially if they're cooking them. Some people like to lightly pan fry them or even air fry them after. I like to just eat mine usually. No, I did not. See, I thought, no, I did not. That is crazy. Doing all this yapping. Luckily, I have some trash over here. Well, it's not trash. That first one that was cracked. Let's go ahead and patch it up. Now we're doing surgery on the spring rolls. This is getting out of hand now. Just going around her. It's so ugly. There's our spring rolls. You won't even be able to tell once I plate it up. Because y'all know how I like to do. I like to make it cute. All right. All right, you guys, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for being here with me in my kitchen. Make sure that you do subscribe before you go. I'm excited to get this channel really going and being consistent, so join me on this journey and let's eat some good vegan food, okay? And make some delicious, fresh, pressed juice. I'll see y'all next time.